Accessing the lecture timetable online. Visit the DUT website at www.dut.ac.za. Click on the Student menu. On the Student Services menu, click Timetable link. You are now on the Timetable web page. View Lecture Timetable menu. Click Faculty drop-down. Click your department. Select your program level. For Student Timetable, click Groups, then click your level of study. Once you have opened your timetable, check Timetable heading to make sure you have opened the correct timetable. You can view or save a PDF format of your timetable. For any queries regarding timetable, you can open the user guide link at the bottom of the page or contact your department. DUT, together achieving greatness.